So guys, to insert text, go to text, this button, then add text, default text, left click, hold, drag and drop to the timeline. So we have our text here. To change the text, go to right side, text, basic, let's change it to like tutorial. To change the text style, left click on here, then we have some text which are provided by the CapCut, and if you want to use the Windows text, the text we installed or inside the Windows, we need to scroll down and move to the end of the list. So these are our default Windows or installed text, and if we left click on here and go up, these are the most recent used text. We can see the preview here. To change the text color, just left click on here and choose the color you want. Suppose we have multiple lines. To increase the space between the text, increase the line, space between the letters, increase the character. Also we have some presets. Let's use this style. We can rotate the text here like 45 degree, minus 45 degree, scale it. Also we have alignment tools. Let's move it, align to center. See, now if we scroll down, we can put strokes, give it some color. To animate the text, we have some presets, animation. If you have this icon, at first we need to single left click and need to have internet connection. So let's do it, single left click, and it's already applied. See, now to change the duration of the animation, at the bottom we have duration. Let's make it for 2 seconds. See, now the animation is for 2 seconds. If you want to remove the animation, just click on here. This in tab provide us with the animation where the text will be revealed, and out, if we use this, the text will be gone like this. Also we have some loop animation like this one. See, it's cool, right? So guys, that's how easily we can insert text and animate in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.